Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the zipper on your Rtic cooler. First, gather your essential tools, including a new zipper, a small screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. It's crucial to ensure your replacement zipper matches the exact length and type of your cooler's original one. Finally, prepare a clean and well-lit workspace to make the repair process as smooth and efficient as possible. This preparation will save you time. Now, let's remove the old zipper. Begin by carefully detaching the old zipper pull. A small screwdriver can help pry it open. Next, you'll need to unstitch or carefully cut the old zipper fabric away from the cooler's seam. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the cooler material. Once removed, thoroughly clean the entire zipper track area to ensure a pristine surface for the new installation. With the old zipper gone, it's time for the new one. Carefully align the new zipper with the existing seam on your cooler, making sure it lays flat and straight. Use a strong, weather-resistant thread to securely stitch the zipper in place. You might consider a double stitch for extra durability. After installation, test the new zipper multiple times, opening and closing it to ensure smooth and snag-free operation. To ensure your new zipper lasts, apply a specialized zipper lubricant. This will enhance its durability and make opening and closing much easier. Remember to regularly clean your cooler's zipper to prevent dirt and debris from causing future issues. A little maintenance goes a long way. Also, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. Check the description below for a link to this and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.